Davy?
Peter, do you want some tea? Hello? Earth to Davy?
Go!
Go! Shoot! Oh no! He missed the goal! Peter!
Die, monster! Jump! Attack! Yes! Level up!
This is terrible. We are a family, but nobody is talking.
Wait a minute, Emma. The match is very exciting.
And I am fighting the boss. I cannot pause the game, Mom. Online games cannot pause.
Look outside. The storm is getting very strong. The wind is howling.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Even if a dinosaur walked in here, you wouldn't notice.
That's nice, honey. Our Asako are.
Unbelievable.
Hey! The TV! The goal! I missed the goal!
No! My Wi-Fi! I was winning!
Everyone, stay calm. It is just a power cut. A blackout.
Mom, I can't see anything. It is pitch black. I am scared.
Where is my phone? I need the flashlight.
Don't move too fast. You will hit your toe.
Ouch! Too late. I hit the table.
David, use your phone light.
Okay, I have light.
Whoa, everything looks spooky in the dark.
Dad, shine the light here. I want to find my teddy bear.
We need candles. We need to save the phone battery.
Where are the candles?
In the kitchen drawer. The second drawer on the left.
Okay, follow me, team. Expedition to the kitchen.
Hold my hand, Dad.
Here is the kitchen. Here is the drawer.
Open it, Dad.
Let's see. Spoons, forks, knives. No candles.
Are you sure? Look in the back.
Ah, I feel something. Is this a candle?
That is a carrot, Dad.
Oops. My mistake.
Ah, here. A box of candles. Whew.
Good. Do we have matches or a lighter?
I have a lighter in my pocket. Click. Whoosh. Fire.
Be careful. Light one candle, then stick it on the plate.
Wow. The flame is beautiful. It is yellow and orange.
Now we can turn off the phones. Look, it is not scary anymore. It is cozy.
It looks like a birthday party, but without cake.
Speaking of cake, I am hungry. Ugh.
We have to eat cold food tonight.
There is no internet. What do we do now?
Ambiance, hat-ass. We use our imagination. Look at the wall.
What animal is this?
It's a crocodile. It has a long mouth and big teeth. Is it a crocodile? Yes!
Snap, snap! It is a hungry crocodile.
My turn.
Oh.
Ah.
That is easy. 2 wings. Flying. It is a bird.
Correct. It is a dove. It means peace.
Now you, Peter. Make a shadow.
Look. It has long ears. It jumps.
Is it a kangaroo?
No. Smaller. It likes carrots.
It is a rabbit. Lorette.
Yes!
The rabbit is running away from the crocodile.
Run, rabbit, run! I'm gonna get you. A-H-H.
Shh. Quiet.
What? What?
It is coming from the window. Is it a monster?
There are no monsters, Peter. Maybe it is the wind.
Wait. That sounds like... a cat?
A cat? We don't have a cat.
Is it a ghost cat?
Stay here. I will check. Brave Dad is going.
Hello? Anybody there?
Oh. It is the neighbor's cat. It is hiding from the rain.
Poor kitty. Can we let him in?
No, he is wet and dirty. But look, the rain is stopping.
Phew. Not a monster. My eyes. It is so bright.
The power is back. The TV is back.
The Wi-Fi is back.
So, back to the screens?
Actually, I ain't bad stat to batty. The match is probably over.
And my eyes are tired from the tablet. Dad? Maud? Mom?
Mom?
Yes?
Look what I just made in my room. It's a spaceship.
Wow, Peter, that looks incredible.
The shadow game was fun. Can we play one more round?
Really? You want to turn off the lights?
Yes, it is cozy. And I want to make a shadow elephant.
Okay. Alexa, turn off the lights.
Yes, Dad.
Okay, show me your elephant.
Ooh.
This is the best evening ever.
I love you guys.
Watch out for the crocodile. Snap, snap.
And then the dragon flew right over the castle. It was huge.
Wow, that sounds like an amazing adventure, buddy.
And then the puppy jumped right out and licked Mr. Henderson right on the nose.
I bet that was a surprise. And then I told him, "You can't catch me," and I ran all the way home. Wow, Peter, that sounds like quite the adventure. And that's when the squirrel jumped right onto his head. He screamed so loud the whole park heard him. Wow, this is incredible. Look at all these details.
It's a picture of us at the beach.
I love it. High five, buddy.
So I told him, "You can't catch me," and then I ran faster than a cheetah.
Faster than a cheetah. Oh, Peter.
And guess what happened next? The biggest dinosaur I've ever seen came right up to the window. Wow. So I told the dinosaur he couldn't catch me, and then I ran all the way home.
You did not. That's amazing, buddy.
And we are approaching the landing pad now. Prepare for touchdown.
Oh, a perfect landing, Captain.
And then the squirrel just completely launched itself right onto his head. It was the funniest thing I have ever seen.
Oh, that sounds exactly like something he would do.
Yeah.
So I told the dinosaur that he couldn't catch me, and then I ran super fast all the way back to the cave. And then I jumped over the biggest puddle ever. I didn't even slip. It was awesome.
You are so brave, honey. I wish I could have seen that jump.
And then the dragon flew right over the castle. I swung my sword and saved everyone just in time. Look, I drew us fighting a dragon.
Oh, Peter, that is amazing.
I love it.
Wow, you did a great job on the colors, buddy.
So I jumped off the rock right before it exploded.
It was awesome.
That sounds incredibly brave, Peter. Look, Mom, look, Dad. It's the biggest dog I've ever seen.
Wow, he sure is, buddy. Let's go say hi.
And then the dragon swooped down, and I jumped just in time. It was so close.
Wow, Peter, that sounds like quite an adventure.
Whoa, look at that. It's incredible.
Wow, I see it, Peter. That's amazing.
Look, Dad, it's launching.
That is the fastest rocket I've ever seen. Is it going to space?
Be careful up there. And we built the biggest sandcastle anyone has ever seen, even bigger than Dad's car.
That is huge.
And then I told him, "You can't catch me." I ran all the way home.
You are so fast.
I know, right? It was awesome. Look at how the light hits the trees right now. It looks like magic.
It really does, buddy. It's beautiful.
You're right, Peter. Absolutely magical. Look at my rocket ship. It's going all the way to Mars.
Ready for launch? 3, 2, 1, whoosh!
That is spectacular, honey. And then the squirrel jumped right onto his head. It was the funniest thing ever.
Oh, wow, that sounds amazing.
And then we can go to the amusement park. The tornado coaster?
You betcha, buddy.
And then the car went super fast, Mom, Dad. Faster than a rocket ship all the way to the moon.